AI is making teens rich, the crazy fact you need to hear. Teens are becoming rich using AI, and it's not a scam. They are building digital empires, and it's happening right now. Well, while most people just use ChatGPT for homework, some teens are using it to start actual online businesses. They are creating AI-generated art, YouTube scripts, TikTok captions, AI logos, voiceovers, building apps, websites, and selling it for real cash. From AI art generators to chatbot businesses, Gen Z is turning tech tools into real cash. One 17-year-old from Texas made over $10,000 designing AI logos. Another teen in Florida sells AI-made voiceovers, and all from the comfort of their bedroom. They are working smarter, not harder. Another 16-year-old from California makes $500 a week writing YouTube scripts using ChatGPT. Another from New York uses AI to make logos and earning money. And one kid is doing amazing. He's making music with AI voices and is blowing up on Spotify. They are not tech pros or coding geniuses. They are regular teens using free tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, ElevenLabs to create art, videos, and voices that sell online. AI, it's not just luck. AI is the new side hustles. Teens are learning to use tools to build mini brands online. It's like having a full-time team working for you, but it's all AI. They are earning hundreds, even thousands dollars per month without lifting a finger. The crazy part is these skills are free to learn, no college, no degree, no fancy setup, just creativity, consistency, and the right AI tools. So AI is giving teens financial freedom, creativity, and chance to build something real before they even graduate. So what's stopping you? The next teen millennial might just be you. Drop in the comment if you are ready to start your AI hustle. Thanks.